How to fix Temu app no internet issue. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Temu app no internet issue. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, restart your device. Restarting your device can help you to fix different kinds of bugs like internet issues. For that, pull on the power button on your device. Then restart button appears. Simply slide towards restart and restart your device. Then you need to check whether your internet connection is stable or not. If not, you can easily switch between the mobile data and you can fix this kind of issues on your Temu application. Further, you need to hop into settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Tap apps. Search for app management and open it. Now tap search bar at top of the screen and type in Temu. Open the app info page of Temu application, scroll down and select data uses. And you need to make sure that the background data is toggled on. If not, you simply need to tap on the button and make it blue from gray button. Come back to the same app info section or the settings page on your Android device, and after that you need to choose networks at top of the screen. From here, select your SIM card, tap access point names. Tap on three dots at top right corner and select reset access points. To confirm, you have to tap reset access points. And after following all the steps, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not, you need to reinstall the application by uninstalling it and again installing it from the Play Store. By following all the steps, you will easily fix Temu app no internet issue on your device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.